Want to make a delicious and fresh corn salad? I do too. 3 ears of fresh corn grilled. Put a little salt and pepper on. It's gonna be the hero that starts it off. First, I have my Genius here, which is gonna keep everything nice and conformed. Red onion, perfectly diced. No tears. I grew that. I always cut the ends off before peeling it because it can be a little bitter. I like to peel it every other because I like the way the green actually looks in there. See the little ribbon? Love. The cherry tomatoes, just sliced in half. Have you ever bought the pearls? Have you caught the theme here? That everything's all perfectly portioned. Let's do a little olive oil, red wine vinegar, tablespoon Dijon mustard, garlic, fresh basil from my garden. Give them a little roll as tight as possible, then just get to slicing. This is chiffonade, and it makes these beautiful, almost ringlet curls. A little salt and pepper. We're gonna add that dressing. We're gonna mix, and we're gonna enjoy. I don't always add it all. I like to check it first. Let's toss it all together. Tomatoes, cucumber, pepper, salt and pepper. Of course, our mozzarella, our fresh corn on the cob. You could absolutely add whatever you want or take away whatever you want. You gotta try this.